Well guys, what a day. We've had all of it. We've had great food, we've had motorbike rides, we've even had arguments with security guards at abandoned water park, and we've had fantastic weather as usual. This is the surprise I got when I came back. We've been upgraded. Hi, this is Will Ming, future owner of Travel Agent Hanoi. Never worked with kids. Okay. So this is what we've been upgraded to. Fantastic place, beach villa. As you can see, what a view. That is fantastic. I'm happy, Nat's happy, Will Ming's happy, and I'm just going to take you around a couple of nice spots there for a couple of cheeky beers very soon, because I'm knackered. And we go into the villa. We have our bed with sea view. Absolutely blown away with this. Never really stayed in anything so luxurious as this. Pretty happy. Got my little workstation there to edit the videos, obviously. Nice little area, lounge area. Again, absolutely stunning views. Loving this place. There's Will Ming out there. So close to the beach, you can fall on it. Right, we've got a minibar in there. That's getting hammered soon. Wardrobe. Look at this bathroom. I mean, come on. We've got a indoor shower. We've got a bath. Obviously, toilet. An outside shower. These are what I love. Outside shower. You just feel at one with nature. You're having a shower out here. We had it in Phong Nha at the lake house, and we got it here now. Stoked. Okay, well, that's the place. This is we've been here 3 nights, and they have kind of an event on, so I think they've basically given us an upgrade to keep us away from all the noise and whatnot, because there's quite a lot of people that have been gathering outside. Okay, so I'm going to grab a cold beer, sit here, and watch the world go by. I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.